And guys, that's basically how you do it. This was our tutorial on it, and I did it myself, and we're just gonna save it now. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks, dude. Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cartoon self or a animated self, an avatar or something that looks just like you. So, you guys want to go to ADOBE DRAW, I'll leave the link in the description below. Basically, it's this app where you can make things on it and you can illustrate things and basically just draw. So, first, you're gonna click on it. And it should look like this. I mean, if you haven't done something already, it should look plain, but I would try to do something earlier. So you press the plus sign right here. Then you want to pick the best one that I think is fine is the flutter portrait right here. And now you're gonna press the plus button right here again, image layer, gallery, and you're gonna pick one. The one I'm gonna pick is this one right here. It's the profile of my YouTube channel. If you guys don't see it, it's literally right in front of your face if you click on it. The next thing is you're gonna click on the little, looks like a rectangle but it's circled, and you're gonna put the size a little bit down because it's very big, like, to be honest, and I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Okay, so first you're gonna zoom in, and you're gonna have to cover everything, every little thing that the actual character has. So, if you guys don't know how to do this, you're just basically just cropping out the whole thing, and yeah, so this is basically how you do it. And you want to do this, and if you want it very detailed like I'm doing right now, you literally have to put every single line that you see on to drawing. Like you have basically just saying you have to have a lot of patience. So yeah, and I used this, like the picture itself, this one right here. I basically used background eraser to make it. If you guys want to download that, see the link in the description below. And yeah. Why did I undo that? So you're gonna go like this. Oh, and yeah. Okay, guys, you just want to fill in it. I'm gonna be doing a time lapse, and yeah. Okay, so once you figured out it was good, then you want to basically add it, and it should be done. So now you're gonna delete this layer and press delete it. Hold up. Okay, so I figured it out. You have to click, once you are on the draw layer, you have to click on the image layer 2 times. And that's just how it looked. And when you go back, it should look like that. And then I didn't fill out it's right here, so Let's cover that. Then, once you do this, it should look like this. I know it looks cool, right? But, yeah, let me just go back and fill this up right here because I need to fill it out. And I'm not going to be putting my name in it. So, yeah. Guys, if you guys are enjoying this so far, and if you made this part of this video, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up and put it over here. You're going to fill it out, the other half, and yeah, this should basically be like this. And there we go. And now when I take it off, it should look like that. And now delete layer, and there we go. That's what it looks like. Looks cool. And then you're just gonna fill out with color. Okay, so now I think you have to like hold down on the place. And guys, that's basically how you do it. This was a tutorial on it, and I did it myself, and we're just gonna save it now. And here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, if this video helped you with the tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Until next time, my bros, goodbye. You're where I belong.